Morning students, in this class I will be doing class 9 13th chapter surface area and volume second exercise 13.2. Sixth sum is curved surface area of a right circular cylinder is 4.4 meters square if the radius of the base of the cylinder is 0.7 meter. Find its height. So here CSA, curved surface area of the cylinder is given and the base of the cylinder is given. Okay, find its height, radius of the base of the cylinder. So radius is given and curved surface area is given. We are asked to find the height. Okay, so curved surface area of cylinder, right circular cylinder is equal to 4.4 meters square. Okay, then radius of the base. So radius of the base is equal to 0.7 meter. Radius is 0.7 meter. We are asked to find the height. So, what is the formula for CSA of cylinder? 2 pi RH. So, that is given as 4.4 meter. So, 2 pi RH is given as 4.4 meter. And then, in this, we will substitute pi value as 22 by 7. And the radius is given as 0.7. We are asked to find the height. Height we don't know. So this is equal to 4.4. Okay. So H is equal to 4.4 into 7. So this 4 will go to the other side in the numerator. So 4.4 into 7 divided by 2 into 22 into 0.7. So all these numerators in this left side, when we are bringing it to the other side, it will become as the denominator of that fraction. So, when we simplify this, so this one will be 7 and 0.1. It will go like that. Then 22 2 times, that is 0.2 times, it will be 4.4. So, the numerator 0.2, numerator will have 0.2 and in the denominator we are having 2 into 0.1. So again this 2 and 0.2 will go 0.1 times. So this is equal to 0.1 by 0.1. So we will get the answer as this is equal to 1 by 1, that value is equal to 10. Okay, so when we are multiplying this by 10, 0.1 into 10, it will become 1 into 10 is 10. After one decimal point, the 0 will be removed. So 1 by 1, that value, or directly itself you can do 0.1 by 0.1. When we simplify it, we will get 1. So height of the cylinder is 1 meter is equal to 1. Therefore, height of the cylinder is 1 meter. Okay. The sum is the inner diameter of a circular well is 3.5 meter. It is 10 meter deep. Find its inner curved surface area and the cost of plastering this curved surface at the rate of rupees 40 per meter square. So a circular well is there. For that, the inner diameter, the circular well is there. For that, the inner diameter is given as 3.5 meter and then 10 meter deep. So the depth of the well is given as 10 meter. Okay. So diameter of the well is 3.5 meter and then height is nothing but the deep. Height is equal to 10 meter. Okay, we are asked to find the inner curved surface area. So first one is CSA of well is equal to 2 pi RH. So 2 into 22 by 7 into, this is only radius. So this is only diameter is given. So radius is 3.5 by 2. So that is equal to 3.5 by 2 is 1.75. So when we divide this 3.5 by 2, we will get it as 1.75. Okay, so we will write that as 3.5 by 2 itself. So 2 into 22 by 7 into radius is 3.5 by 2 into height is given as 10 meters. Okay, so this is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into this 3.5 into 10 will be 35 by 2. So this 2 and 2 will get cancelled. 7 5s are 35. So when we multiply 22 into 5, so it will be 110 meters squared. So this is the curved surface area of the well. That is inner curved surface area of the well is 110 meters squared. So one more question is there. That is the cost. Cost of plastering in CSA at the rate of ₹40 per meter square. So cost of plastering per meter square, plastering per meter square is equal to ₹40. Therefore, cost of plastering 110 meter square. Cost of plastering 110 meter square is equal to 110 into 40. So when we multiply this, we will get 11 4s are 44, 2 zeros. So the cost is 4,400 rupees. So cost of plastering it for the given curved surface area is 4,400. Sum is, in a hot water heating system, there is a cylindrical pipe of length 28 meter and diameter 5 centimeter. Find the total radiating surface in the system. So radiating surface is nothing but the cylindrical pipe. So cylindrical pipe is like this. Length is given as 28 meter and diameter is 5 meter. And diameter is given as 5 meter. So this is the length of the pipe. Okay, so we are asked to find the total radiating surface in the system. That is this radiating surface we are asked to find. So that is nothing but the curved surface area. Total radiating surface in the system. Okay, so the length of the pipe. Length of the pipe is equal to 28 meter. 28 meter. Length of the pipe is equal to 28 meter and diameter is 5 centimeter. And diameter is given as 5 centimeter. So this one centimeter to meter conversion will be 5 by 100 meter. Okay. So now this is only for diameter. So this one we have to do for radius also. So radius will be half of the diameter. So diameter is 5 by 100 by 2. So this is equal to 5 by 200 meter. Okay. So now we will substitute this in the curved surface area. Okay. So the curved surface area will be 2 pi RH. So this is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into radius is 5 by 200 into height. Height is nothing but the length, that is 28. So this one will be, when we simplify this, so 7 4s are 28, 200, this one will go, and then 5, 20, then 4, 5. So this is equal to 22 by 5 meter. So that is equal to 5 4s are 20, 0.5 4s are 20. So the curved surface area is 4.4 meters square. So that is the total radiating surface in the system is nothing but this curved surface. So that is this curved surface. So the total radiating surface in the system is 4.4 meters square. So therefore total radiating surface is 4.4 meters square. Okay. So with this I am completing today's class. Whatever doubts you have, you message me in the comment box. Thank you.